Learning Python. With the magical tales of adventure, resistance and friendship, set in the stunning Zagros. Vian lived with her grandmother, who was very old and wise. Her grandmother had taught her many things, including how to read and write, how to use the internet, and how to code. Vian's grandmother had been a teacher before the war started, and she had a collection of books and computers that she had saved from the destruction. She had also managed to get a solar panel that provided them with electricity. When Vian reached her house, she showed the drone to her grandmother. Look, what I found in the mountains, Grandma," she said excitedly. Her grandmother looked at the drone with surprise and concern. "Where did you get this, my child?" she asked. "I found it among the rocks. It's one of those drones that they used to attack us. But I think I can fix it and make it do something good," Vian said. Her grandmother frowned. "Be careful, Vian. This drone could be dangerous. It could have explosives or cameras or sensors inside it. It could also be tracked by the enemy," she warned. "Don't worry, Grandma. I know what I'm doing. I'll take out all the bad parts and keep only the good ones. I'll also make sure that no one can trace it or control it," Vian assured her. Her grandmother sighed. "All right, Vian. I trust you. But please be careful," she said. "Thank you, Grandma. You're the best," Vian said. She hugged her grandmother and took the drone to her room. She put the drone on her desk and opened her laptop. She connected the drone to her laptop with a USB cable and started to examine its components. She saw that the drone had a microcontroller board that controlled its movements and functions. It also had a battery pack, a camera module, a speaker module, a GPS module, a wireless module, and several sensors for altitude, temperature, pressure, humidity, light, sound, etc. Vian decided to keep only some essential parts like the microcontroller board, the battery pack, the camera module, the speaker module and so on. She removed all the other modules and wires from the drone and threw them away. Vian then opened a code editor on her laptop and started to write some code for the drone. She wrote some code using Python language that she had learned from her grandmother and the internet. Python is a powerful language that is often used to create robots and other intelligent machines. It is also easy to learn and write, and it can make computers do amazing things.